got their life is better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I won't try.
Hello my Hive Tribe, it's Queenie Urbane and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair review. This review is going to be on the company Indique hair. Now I've been wanting to try this company for so long. I remember being a baby YouTuber back when I was like 14, 15, and all the girls always talked about Indique hair, especially all the girls that had relaxed hair, because they had a specific type of hair that was high quality hair that mimicked the texture of African American relaxed hair. And as you guys know, I'm a relaxed girly. I'm gonna always be a relaxed girly. I was natural before. That's actually how my channel got started. Gave that up, been relaxed since. That's just my thing. Therefore, I love when I can find hair that matches my natural texture, because I always love that natural look. I don't like when my hair looks like a wig. Indique brand was a brand I've been wanting to try for years. I went out and bought me some Indique hair. I've had this hair now for going on, it's been a while guys. It's been almost 4 months that I've had these clip-ins. So I want to give you guys the specs on the hair, a little bit of details on it, as well as Indique's mission statement. And of course, if you are someone who watches my channel and watches my reviews, we're going to always give my authentic opinion on these items. This is not sponsored. Indique did not send this to me. This is my own opinions on an item that I purchased. I'm going to let you guys know my pros and cons on the hair, as well as give you guys this type of hair, who I think this type of hair is perfect for, and my rating from 1 to 10 on this hair. So without further ado, I'm not going to chat too much. We're going to just jump straight into the specs of these extensions. So first I'm going to open it up for you guys. These are clip-ins. They already look so good. Like, that's what I love about these clip-ins. You guys, I received 10 bundles. I received 10 clips. 10 clips, these are the clips. I received 10 clips for $170. 10, and these are really high quality clips. I really enjoy them. They mimic my real hair texture to the T. Like, look at that. It really close. Look at that, guys. Look at how much it matches just immediately off the rip. I love these clip-ins. Like, when I wear them, people can't even tell that this is not my natural hair, unless they of course touch my head. And that's the goal I'm always going for. I want my extensions to look natural. And if not natural, then at least like I really try to make sure they look good. You know, not just like all over the place. And with that, these extensions are just my absolute favorite. First of all, I love the fact that they come with 10 wefts, which is very important to me. And anytime that I buy clip-ins from the beauty supply store, they typically only come with 8. So 2 extra ones is just amazing in my opinion. And not only that, they're very thick. They're very thick. I can already start to look like I have a full head of hair in with only 4 clips. Of course, that's not a full head, but let's say I was doing like a updo, half up, half down. Very easily done with just 4 clips, because they're very thick. It's very thick. Like, look how that looks. I love it. I love it. And for someone who has, I've been wearing them on and off for the last, honestly, not even 4 months, probably the last 5 months, to be honest, because I got these back in February. It still looks very good. I have only washed this hair once ever, and air drying it was a breeze. No issue at all with that. And this hair is processed, so it is not virgin hair. And because it is processed, you want to be extra careful in terms of maintenance. So don't put heat in the hair every single day, because it is processed. It's not raw hair, and it gives you specific instructions when you purchase the hair on making sure that you are opting for more heatless hairstyles with this hair if you really want it to last, versus heated hairstyles. And this hair is expected to last 2 years for users. for longer depending on proper maintenance. And I can tell you from right now that I think this hair is definitely gonna last me 2 years. I have clip-ins that are cheap and from the beauty supply store that has lasted me almost 2 years. So this hair is definitely gonna last me, I believe. The length of this hair is 22 inches. I love it. It's 22 inches, so it's pretty long. Now, with that, I honestly wish I got shorter hair. I wish I would have went with the 14 inch that I saw, or maybe even a 16 inch, and here's why. I would rather 14 or 16 inch because my natural hair is clearly not 22 inches long. So it would just look so much more natural and so much more real if I would have gotten a shorter length, because it matches my hair so well. Like seriously, so well, that I'm probably going to just do that anyway and then just have these for when I want long extensions. I love the fact that the hair just has that human texture. It's just so realistic. It feels great. It doesn't tangle or causes me any problems, like no matting, very little shedding, and I like that. I like that even though the hair is processed and it's remix collection, it's still quality. It's still really good, and these are literally my favorite extensions of all time. Whenever I take out this hair, let's say I'm just a week in transition between my hairstyling, which I've created a whole schedule for styling my hair because I am personally sick of having to plan out hairstyles. Why not cross transfer skills, and why not create an Excel spreadsheet? Treat it like I'm at work, because that's what it is. It's work. I'll be in between hairstyles just to give my hair a break, and most likely I'm going to be wearing my clip-ins like I always do. It's recommended to use as little heat as possible. You can still use heat. This is definitely not synthetic hair in any way. It's 100% human. You can use heat on this hair for sure. It's just the curls I've learned don't last all day anyway when you use a heated tool. Like if you compare to if you did a roller set and used mousse, whatever hairstyle that you're setting will last all day. The curls just end up a lot better when you pre-roll them. Like this hair is a little funny, I realize, with curling it. Like if I was to do a natural curl, it will stay for maybe 30 minutes, but even then this hair just likes to be held in its position. So I would have to pin curl my hair if I was to do curls, like do an actual curl with the heated roller, with the heated curling wand, and then pin it to my head and hold it there for just a few minutes until the hairstyle sets, and then let it go, and then the curl will last. That's what I've learned. But this hair is phenomenal if you wanted to do a straight look. A straight look, you don't even gotta worry. None of that is an issue. Just boop, 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 install it really quickly. This is like, I've mastered how to install this hair now. Make it look full, make it look great, and do it really quickly. I can do a video on that if you would like that. Leave a video comment below if you would like to see me install these clip-ins, because I have a great like 5 to 10 minutes. Now there's only 2 cons for me, and I lightly touched on one of them, which was the curls don't last whenever I'm using a curling wand on this hair, but let me use a roller set and the curls will last all day, all night. No issue at all. I also noticed too, now that I've been using it for a little while, the ends is starting to leave a little bit, like you see that. But that is fair. That is fair compared to how much hair is left, and the ends kind of being a little thin. I would just kind of dust these and call it a day. Or again, I wear the hair curly most of the time. I'm not really a straight girl. I like curls. Because I wear the hair curly, it's not super noticeable that the ends are starting to thin, but it is at the same time. That's just something I want to bring up. But again, this was heavy use of this hair for like 4 months. going on 4 months straight. I also want to blame that too on the fact that this is longer hair. If I would have went with shorter hair, I think it wouldn't have thinned at the end so much, or if it did, it wouldn't be so noticeable. I don't know. This is me just giving the company a benefit of a doubt. Regardless, just wanted to give you guys note of that and be authentic and honest. So now that I've let you guys know the specs, the pros and cons on the hair, I'm going to now just wrap it all up by letting you guys know my final thoughts on the hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love Indique, and I plan on buying not only another set of this remix hair specifically, like in the size 14 or 16, but I really want to try their raw collection as well. And I know it's raw, but it has that mimicked relaxed hair texture, so I'm going to do more research on that when I decide to do a review to see how does that work. This hair company has trustworthy hair and has trustworthy products for sure. I've always heard good reviews, and I haven't heard any change honestly in these reviews over the decade that I've been following the company. I still wanted to just go out there and try it myself, and as a relaxed hair girly, knowing that they have a relaxed hair texture specific line for girls who have relaxed hair, because it's common in the Black woman community, that just makes me so grateful that the owners was thinking about us. And it's gonna last me a long time. It's 22 inches and it's just pretty. You know, some hair you put away and it bunches up and it looks old, and it won't look fresh and new until you brush it out again. That's not this hair. I took it out the packaging and it's ready to vavoom. I think this would look amazing on anyone who has relaxed hair. I would highly, highly, highly recommend this hair a 9.5 out of 10. Which is good, right? 9.5 out of 10 is like almost there, almost there. And the reason why I knocked off a 0.5 is because of the fact that you really only get the type of curls you truly desire when you do heated looks. I mean, when you do heatless looks, and that is not a problem for somebody else. Whereas for me, sometimes I'm just too lazy to put in my flexi rods, and I don't, like, I know I'm gonna wake up the next day, and even if I curl my hair with the iron, it's just not gonna give the same look it'll give if I would have did flexi rods or any of my rollers the other day. So take that opinion with you and do what you must. That is my authentic opinion on the Indique hair company. I thank you guys all so much for watching this video. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I know we are right there. We are knocking on the door. So if you could just help your girl by subscribing to the channel, that would mean the world to me. I've been making content for a while now, and I'm finally reaching the point where people are paying attention, and that makes me so happy. So I thank every single body that watches my videos. I think every single body that subscribes. Every like and every comment means something to me, and I read them all, trust me. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Subscribe to me on social media. I will also be leaving the purchase link and the store link for this hair below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.